video, we will see how to create a bill of material inside the product specification model. Before we start to create a bill of material, we need to ensure that our item is complete. In the case of the denim, we need to understand if we had already assigned colors. In my case, I have 3 colors already assigned to this denim. So to create the bill of material, I need to click in the bill of material function and then new. If I want to create a bill of material with the BoM combination based on the color, I should leave this color attribute empty. But if I want to create the complete the bill of material for a complete product, I need to fill in the case of the denim, I need to fill with the color. So I will select Blanco and save. So after I save, this is the main, I save the header of the bill of material. Now I need to add the components to the bill of material. I have two ways to do it. I can use the search box. For example, I will select some yellows and then I just need to drag and drop to uh, the component space. So when I do the drag and drop, the system is asking me what you want to do. If you want to insert this item without color, or then if you want to insert the complete product with the color. I will select with the color, so a double click. Now fill the quantity, the net quantity, must be filled with the corresponding comma. Okay, and now I just need to save. This is one of the ways that we can use to insert components in the bill of material. There is other way, the search component. When we click in the search component tab, it is possible also to insert components in the bill of material with this form. For example, I will select again the hilos and I will do a quick search. So when I do a quick search, I can select one or more items that I want to insert. In this case, I would just want to insert this one, and then I can define the options of the insertion options. I can add this at the bottom. I can insert, and we use this function insert, in case we have more than one components here, we can insert in the middle of some components, or I can use the replace. Okay. When we use the replace, this means that if I choose this component and select the option replace, this component here, this yellow, will be replaced by this one. Okay. In this case, I will use as add button. Then I will confirm. The system is asking me what color I want to insert, or if I want to insert the yarn without a color. I will select the color and okay. So these are the two types, um, these are the two ways that we can use to insert components inside the bill of material. Well, we also have here the possibility to insert component by size. What does this mean? This means that I have, for example, this yarn, and if I want to tell that this yarn has the consumption value changed by size, I just need to apply the flag, the size, save, and now if I go to the size consumption tab, I'm able to define some specific quantities by size. For example, for the extra small, I can put that the consumption for this component is 1. For here, it will be 1.5. Here is 2.5. and in the case of extra large it will be 3. Yeah. This is something that we can do later with the size consumption. After we do the change, we just need to save. Just one thing, if we go to the size consumption and for some kind of reason we do not see here any data, this means that the product does not have any measure table assigned. So we need always to validate if in the measure tables we have some size chart already defined and set it as main range. In this case, the main set is the extra small till extra large, and with this we are able to use the size consumption function. Okay, this is one way to create a bill of material, like I said at the beginning of the video, using the color. But it is also possible to define a bill of material with a color combination. To do that, this is very simple. I will delete this blanco, and now I will create a new one without defining the color, and I will save. The system allow me to do this, and then same method. For example, I will insert a yarn, and for this yarn I will say that this yarn I want this yarn with in blue. Okay, and then I will insert another yarn without color. Okay, I am saving, and this yarn that I insert without color, I will put the flag on the side on the color column. So I will put here some quantity and then I will save. After I define and then save that this yarn here inserted without color um, changed by color, I can go to the color tab and that component will appear me here. What I need to do is very simple. I need to append the colorway, and I need to do a double click on this cell, and I will tell the system that using the drag and drop for the garment color blanco. Now I click again here in the component. I will use the navy yarn color. Okay, this is one way to uh, to do the color combination using the bill of material function. I can, for example, in this case, I can add more according to my needs, and I can go here and do the same process logic. I will say that for my garment in blue, I will use, and for my garment in indigo, here I will use this color, and here I will use again this color. Now I can activate the descriptions if I have doubts, and also can help me during this process. And with this definition that I made here, when I do the export data to AX, the colors of this component will be combined according to this setup matrix that I did.